Welcome once more to Mathematics Pro. So today we have this inverse variation equation that has a square. So let's get started. So looking at our equation, y varies inversely as x squared. So this is it. Weighting y varies inversely. Inversely, we need to write 1 over x squared. So to solve question involving variation, we can solve with the symbol of variation. So this symbol can be changed with equals to k, where k is the constant of variation. So I will write this as y equals to k 1 over x squared. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to do. K times 1 is k, so we are going to have y equals to k over x squared. Okay, so next, if we move to the question, we are asked to express y in terms of x. Express y in terms of x. We can see that we have y, we have x, but here is k, so we need to get the value of k so that we'll be able to express y in terms of x. So in order to get the value of k, we just plug in the known value of y and x. You have to look at your table when x and y is given. You can see that x and y is given here. When x is 1, y is 36. So we just need to plug in the various value in order to get the value of k. So if we do that, we can write this equation first. The equation is y equals to k over x squared. So this implies we have the value of y. Y is 36, so I'm going to plug in 36 here, should be equals to k over x is 1, but we have x squared. So we are going to have 1 square, which is 1. So this implies k will be equals to 36 times 1 square, which is 1. So k is 36. Now that we know the value of k, we can write the formula of, we can express y in terms of x. So we just replace the value of k. So we write y, so we have y, and k gave us 36 over x squared, so y in terms of x. Next, to complete this table, which is more easier, we just using the formula. The formula is very important to complete this table. So whenever you have variation question, even if you are not asked to write the formula, always make sure you do. So let's complete our table using the formula. So here we have been given x, so x is equal to 2. We are going to plug in the x here so that we can get the value of y. So to do that, we are going to have, they gave us x is 2, so we have our formula y equals to 36 over 2 squared, because as I said, x is 2. So y will be equals to 36, 2 squared is 4. So if we divide 36 by 4, we are going to get 9. So we have 9 here. So when x is 2, y is 9. Next, in the table we have been given here, we have been given y, and we are asked to look for x. So it means we just need to plug in the value of y so that we'll be able to calculate x. So they gave us y is 4. So we have 4, y is 4, should be equals to, follow the formula, 36 over x squared. So if we cross multiply, we are going to have 4x squared equals to 36. So x squared will be equals to 36 over 4, which is equals to 9. X squared is a quadratic equation, which is x squared equals to 9. So for quadratic equation, we are going to have two answers for 9. So x will be equals to, we need to look for the square root of 9 plus or minus 3. So x will be equals to plus or minus 3. So here we have plus and minus 3. Then in this other case also they gave us y. You need to plug in y here. So what do you think is going to be the value of x? Please write your answer in the comment section below. Subscribe and share. Thanks.